Good morning, everybody. I'm Chief Daniel Matthews, the UK Labour Party Chapter Chairman. Please indulge me. I just woke up and I needed to speak to our Labour Party UK chapter to address some burning issues, whereby is to remind us the very clear objective why this chapter was set up. This UK chapter was inaugurated for two primary purposes. One is to grow the party, and maximize on the opportunity of the obedient movement. Two is to raise funds through awareness and every other thing, to raise funds to support the, the democratic process going on in Nigeria. Candidate support, community support, candidate development, executive development, and as well as mobilization. At this moment, I think we're underachieving in all those accounts. We spend too much time squabbling about things that are not necessarily trying to justify or jostle for position that it's not necessary. For the purpose of clarity, the party is what that was inaugurated. The party was the one that was established. And within that party establishment, there was a mandate given. The steering committee is not what that was established, but rather the Labour Party chapter was established. So those who have that misconception, to ditch that misconception, there is steering committee. In the Labour Party as structure as it works, you have division of labor. And people have to be responsible when given a responsible role to carry out that function. We also need to trust people that were given responsibility, that they would do their due diligence, their due best without being babysat. We don't need to babysit anybody. This is a voluntary position. And those who are incapable to deliver, there's a discretion to move them on or replace them so that we can progress forward. We cannot be held back by incompetence or our own childishness and without progressing forward. The election is less than 100 days or thereabouts. What have we achieved apart from internal squabbles? I challenge every Labour Party people, from the executive to just the members. What are you doing to progress this party forward? What are you doing to help this party achieve its objective? So I challenge you, the goal of Labour Party establishment is not about personality. It's about the democratic change happening in Nigeria right now. So I want to encourage each and every one of you. We need to stop this internal squabbling and focus on the objective. We have a structure. We have a team. And the team, each of these teams will have division of roles. From the chairman all the way down to every member. You have our responsibility and our roles. And our primary objective is very clear. One, increase membership, raise awareness of Labour Party. Two, raise funds to support the democratic activity in Nigeria. So my question to you is, what are you doing about it? There are some people who blatantly say they don't want to be part of Labour Party UK. That's fine. As long as we're working towards the same democratic objective, I will support you. But however, if you say you don't want to be part of Labour Party, stop complaining about what we're doing or what we're not doing to anywhere. If you think we're doing something that is not elevating or moving us forward, come to us. You don't need to go all the way to anywhere else to report the chapter. Come to us, discuss with us. Let's focus on the prize. Our objective is clear. Going forward, I also must add, we need to restructure the EXCO. We need to restructure the EXCO so that we can bring in competent people where needed, or encourage people to take more active roles where needed. We cannot be stagnant and expect change. We cannot have people who are not contributing to the development and part of the ESCO and then expect progress to happen. You cannot be part of the ESCO and do nothing, and then stick to the ESCO because what of the added advantage or benefit you think that might accrue by staying but doing nothing. That is not how it works. Nobody has a custodian of this party. This party belongs to all of us. So I want to encourage you, if you are part of the ESCO and you're not functioning, ask yourself, do you want to be part of the ESCO? If not, give somebody else a chance who wants to do it. The ESCO that was inaugurated was not inaugurated so in absence of the party. The party was inaugurated. There was no steering committee. As such, everybody is obliged to serve the party. The party is not supposed to serve you. It's meant to serve the party, and if you cannot do that, move on. Let other people want to do it, do it. So I beg each and every one of you in the party, in the ESCO membership, please, play your active role. You don't have to be part of the executive to play an active role. You can't play an active role without being an executive. We need to restructure the executive. We need to also set up a board of directors to guide the party who are not executive. Now, nobody should come against that. We're setting up a board who will be the advisory board to the party, who will be guiding the party as we progress. And for you to be a member of the executive board, you must be a generous donor to the party, a minimum donor of £1,000. A minimum. But on the 27th, that will be inaugurated, the board, and people who want to join the board of trustees will gladly be appointed on the grounds that you donate a minimum of £1,000. So thank you. Let's get focused. Election is less than 100 days. Let's get focused. Let's leave this side squabbles, this side nonsense on the side. And let's get focused. We need to raise 100,000 by December 15. 100,000 pounds by December 15. The membership level we have, if everybody pay, we meet that target. The level of membership we have on the platform, if everybody pay their money, we meet that target. So what are you doing? Don't leave it just to the executive. How about you, the members? What are you doing? What is stopping you being active? You cannot be obediently useful without supporting Labour Party. And all those working against Labour Party UK, you need to ask them why. Are they doing it for the benefit of Peter Obi winning and the growth of the party, or for their own selfish interest? Why are you against the party? If you truly believe in the obedient movement, then you are part of the party. You either be part of the solution or you're part of the problem. Which one are you? Let's focus on the main principle, on the goal, on the prize. Be part of the solution. And God bless you richly. Amen.